My, yes! Thank you so much, Belle! Ang ganda-ganda mo. Ang ganda ko sa'yo. But mga kapamilya, actually, very spoiled tayo with PFC and also with Belle. Kasi I heard it was your birthday concert last month.
Yeah.
Diba? Not too long ago, and then you flew here straight away to London to be with our kababayans here in London.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ang galing ko naman po.
Wow, we don't wish na.
Yes. Okay. Yun. Yes! Do you have any wish that you would like to share?
Grabe naman, yung birthday ko, umabot pa ng London.
Oh,
I think this is so much come true na. This is a dream that
Extended?
to be able to perform to our Kababayans here.
Oh,
Yes.
At dahil birthday mo dito sa London, ibig sabihin, may birthday party. At kapag may party, may sayawan, isn't it? So we have here very talented young Pinoys in London na wish makasayaw si Belmar Llano. Let's
Yes.
call them in. Woohoo! Again, party, Bel.
So,
Maraming gusto
let's call
sumayaw
in.
sa Bel.
Ang dami nila, di ba?
Okay.
Yung vocals mo yan.
Hi!
There you go.
Ayun.
And also, let's call in our spotlight lighters dancer to join us again here on stage.
Kilalanin natin sila. Yes. Spotlight dancers, join us. Okay. Anong, saan po sila? Meron dito. Spotlight dancers. Dito tayo. Yeah. So these are our ladies na sasayaw. No? May surprise pa tayo kay Ben. Saan po sila? Anong gusto mong sabihin kay Ben? And we have another one here. Where are you from?
London Wembley!
Parang pageant na. And then anything that you want to say to Belle?
Thank you for coming to London and entertaining our madam people here. Thank you so much for the warm
Hello, lucky lady. Yes, I know.
London po, Wandsworth.
Okay, alright. And then, yes. So, excited na ba kayo? Okay, Belle? So ngayon, yes, may dance showdown tayo. Team girls and team girls. There you go. So, ang sasawin niyo is, alam niyo yung pang-tropiko, di ba? Ayun, pang-tropiko. So with Belle and the spotlighters, ano ba gawin natin? Team A, Team B.
Team A, okay,
And Team B.
Sige.
Right. So may gagayahin sila, no? Okay, let's watch the video first. Okay.
Okay, panoorin natin.
inyong pa-contest.
Yes.
So let's start with
Team A.
Team A. Krista,
This is my
it's your
team.
call.
Are you guys ready to dance?
Yes, ready, ready.
Dance is easy.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Wham, wham. Yes. Yes, bigyan yan.
Wow!
Good.
Team A.
This part, this part. Yan.
Ang gagaling. Oh. Kaya na ba yan? Yes, that's the one.
Ayun! Palakpakan naman si May. Team B, are you ready? Well, ready na daw ang Team B.
Are you guys ready? I think we should ask them. Are you guys ready?
Team B,
Ready?
ready ng Team B?
Yes!
Let's go!
Sabi na sila makakawin. Smart!
Oh, oh, yes. Oh, kaya na ba yan? Oh, oh, oh. Yes, yes. Good.
Wow!
That's my Team B! Palakpakan naman guys, Team B! Okay, eto na. Who's the winner?
Sino na kayo decide there? Do you wanna be the judge or?
Fair, business na lang natin, syempre.
Audience muna, audience.
Yes, okay. So, mga pamilya, for Team A.
Team A! If you want Team B to win, sigaw, Team B!
Wow! Yes,
Okay ba?
pero parang Team B, diba?
Okay, so that means it's a tie. There you go. Thank you, Spotlighters. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so
Pinasaya niyo ang
much.
kababayan natin.
Maraming
May
salamat.
prize sila. Hanapin niyo lang sila sa likod. May mga prizes sila. Ang trophy ko. Yeah. Woohoo! Ang sarap siguro may kasayaw nito. Krista. One there. Thank you guys. And thank you, Spotlighters. Now,